Do you like to cook?
As a matter of fact, I love cooking. I like to prepare interesting delicacies and share it with friends and relatives. My day begins with the aroma of the spices. I feel heavenly when chopping the sweet-smelling coriander and on hearing the mustard seed splutter. After a hard day's work, cooking rejuvenates my mind.
Have you ever baked a cake?
Yes, I have tried it on a stove though. All you have to do is preheat a vessel. In the meanwhile, you can prepare the batter. You can either use powdered chocolate biscuit or cocoa. Grease a tray with butter, pour the batter onto it, and place it in the preheat vessel for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, and your cake will be ready.
Would you like to learn how to bake?
Yes, though I know how to make a cake and have watched a lot of YouTube videos, I would be interested in learning in person from a chef.
What kinds of things are baked in your country?
Well, a lot of things are baked in our country, from cakes to cookies and bread to pies. Plum cakes are my favorite. They are made of either dried fruits like grapes, currants, raisins, or prunes, orange peels, or with fresh fruits.
Delicacies, something delightful or pleasing, especially a choice food considered with regard to its rarity, costliness, or the like. For example, chocolate lava cake is a true delicacy. Batter, which is a mixture of flour and liquid with other ingredients. For example, she got the dosa batter from store. Chef, which is a professional cook, typically the chief cook in a restaurant or hotel. For example, she worked as a chef in a 5-star hotel. Prunes, a plum preserved by dyeing and having black wrinkled appearance. For example, prunes are high in fiber and are very good for health.